Is that a dog or a broken trumpet? You decide. Hey, dog lovers. Welcome to the funniest compilation of dogs making the strangest sounds. From grumpy growls that sound like a grumpy grandpa to howling hounds that could join a boy band. Check out this pug who thinks it's a siren and this husky who's clearly practicing for the next talent show. They're not just barking, they're performing. Don't miss the chihuahua with the most dramatic whimper or the boxer who's convinced he can howl at the moon. So sit back, relax, and let these furry comedians tickle your funny bone. Which one made you laugh the hardest? Comment below. And remember, folks, every dog has its day. And today, it's all about the wacky woofs and wild whimpers. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe for more pawsome content. See you next time.